Hi, welcome to my video on find the equation of a tangent to a curve number 1. Find the equation of a tangent to y equals the ln of 2x minus 1 squared at x equals 1. So to find the equation of a tangent, we need to know what point the tangent is going to go to on that curve. So at x equals 1, so y equals ln 2 sub 1 in the place of x, and we'll work this out, and let's see what we'll get. Put sub 1 in, so we got the ln, so inside of here is 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, and so this is 1 squared is 1, so the ln of 1, and what is the ln of 1? You can use your calculator and find out, but let's do a little explanation. The ln, this is base e here, but when we put a base e, that's what I do. I do a trick. I do, even though I'm not supposed to, I say ln is base e, but technically speaking, they don't do that. I do it. I just say ln, got a base e, so base, exponent, number. So what power of e gives me 1? So that means that's 0. But technically speaking, you're supposed to say ln is change your ln to a log and put your like that. So I again I put an e here because ln has a base e, but you're supposed to put log base e, not leave it like I have it. But I cheat a bit and I say that's the ln is e, and it works out okay. So this still gives me a 0. So that means that the point that this function is gonna at 1, when x is 1, y is 0. Now let's look at this function. It's a ln. It's made up of 2x minus 1 is made up of a square, is made of a ln. So if we write f of x, we got 3 functions, f of x, g of x, and the h of x. So one is going within the other. So we have, let's say f of x is ln x, the g of x is x squared, and the h of x is 2x minus 1. Because this is inside, this is next, the power of that, and the ln is the outside. So this becomes f g of x of the h of x. So it's, again, 3 functions. So that means your derivative is going to made up of 3 parts. So that means that y prime, which is your derivative, and the derivative is the slope of your tangent. So y prime is your slope of your tangent when you work it out at any point. So the derivative becomes the ln of 2x minus 1 squared, so that's the outside one, times the derivative of 2x minus 1 squared, and the inside derivative of 2x minus 1. So it's the ln of this function, so derivative, and then inside is 2x minus 1 squared, and then inside of that is 2x. So you work outside in. So ln, then the square, then the binomial. And so that derivative becomes, derivative of ln is 1 over, so that's 1 over 2x minus 1 squared. The derivative, because that's a square, the derivative here is 2x minus 1 to the 1. And derivative of 2x minus 1 is just 2. So the derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 1 is 0. And so when we simplify, that's a y prime. So when we simplify that, we get 2 times 2 is 4. And this is 4. And notice this is a square, and this is the power of 1, so they cancel to give me 2x minus 1. Again, that's y prime. And so that's the slope of the tangent at any point, but at x equals 1, what is the derivative, which is the slope of the tangent? So we put 2 there, put a 1 in. So what? That's 4 over 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1. 4 over 1 is 1. So the slope of the tangent, so the slope of the tangent is 4. Remember, the derivative is the slope of the tangent at any point. But this is at, when x is 1, the slope of the tangent is 4. So we have the slope of the tangent. We have our point, which is 1 comma 0. So that's x and y with the slope of the tangent. So the equation, y equals mx plus b. We have our slope of the tangent, but we need to get the y-intercept. So y is 0, slope is 4, x is 1. So b, 0 equals 4 plus b. Leave the b there. Move the 4 over, make it a minus. So now we have our slope is 4, and our y-intercept is negative 4. So the equation of the tangent, y equals slope 4, and b is negative 4. So that's the equation of the slope of the tangent to this function at x equals 1. And that brings us to the end of this video. And again, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.